Imagine you're at an auction and you want to sell your goods for the most price. What do? You wait until the buyers outbid each other until there is only one man standing, and that is the guy you sell your stuff to for the most price. This is the same thing with forex trading. There is a reason why there is bid and ask and all these things. It's because forex trading is an auction, and when you learn to wait until there is one man standing, whether you are a buyer or a seller, you will always buy at a discount or sell at a premium. How does this look like in real life in terms of trading? Let's look at an example of a trade setup we got on the Aussie Canadian dollar on Monday. Now, this setup is a reversal setup that goes back to the low of the day. And if you'd like to learn more about this setup and this strategy, I have a free mentorship program. Link will be in the description. Now, our purpose today is to understand where to sell and why we are selling where we are selling. Now, we got this sell setup, so we already know we are selling. Now, we go to the 1 minute time frame. Now, when you go to the 1 minute time frame, imagine yourself you are at an auction. Now, and let's define a few things. If we see a downtrend, these are sellers selling. And if we see an uptrend, these are buyers. Now, a downtrend is defined as a series of lower lows and an uptrend is defined as a series of higher highs. So if we take a look at this story that we have here, we are creating lower lows. So the sellers are selling. And now imagine all these sellers, they are selling. And if you sell with these sellers, it means that you are selling cheaply because there are plenty of sellers. And if there are plenty of sellers, in order for the goods to go or the goods to be bought, you need to compete against each other. And this is an auction. So the competition is actually who will sell the goods for the least price. And for us as sellers, we want to be in a position where we are not selling with the masses, rather than the masses are buying. Now, if there is more demand and there is less supply, this means that we can sell at a premium. Now, through the definition of what buyers are, we want to see buyers in the market. Now, when we see an uptrend and we are sellers, then we know we have a high probability of selling at a better price. So let's wait and see. Price continues creating lower lows, but we still have our own goods we have not sold yet. So we want to sell to the buyers. Alright, so we wait for the buyers to come in, and the buyers are coming into the market. So the uptrend is buyers coming into the market. And buyers continue buying until we got this break of structure here. Now, we did get this break of structure here in the first place, but price continued again higher. We got this break of structure again here. Now, we know that buyers are coming into the markets. This is the most premium price we can get so far. So what do? Since we can't get in here, we wait for price to retest this area and then give us an engulfment for the move down. That is what happens. Price retests and then gives us an engulfment candle here. So even if we did not get in here, we still are at a premium because we are selling to the buyers. And that is the difference between us selling to the buyers and sellers selling while other people are selling. So when we see the masses selling, we hold and then we wait for them to sell. In fact, when they are selling, the best thing to do is to buy. Now, of course, that is in the real world, but in the market, you hold. And then now, when the buyers come into the market, we sell to those buyers. Because think about it. These are the buyers who actually bought this currency down here. And it would make sense for them to exit up here because obviously price is about to reverse. So, in short, these guys are taking their profits. And by them taking their profits, they are selling it to us. And then for us sellers, once we get in, so we get in in here, and then we have our stop loss at that high. We are targeting the low of the day. So for us, we would be selling, and we will continue selling until price goes back to the extreme, which is the low. And then now we have buyers. So when we are taking our profits, we are now selling it to the buyers at the low. Hopefully this video explains to you the relationship between price action and human nature, human psychology, and actually selling. So check out the free mentorship program if you'd like to learn more about this strategy. And if you got value from this video, subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next video. Have a beautiful Easter, and bye-bye.